Hey everyone, welcome to Clickfix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and play Valorant Mobile on your phone step by step. Yes, this is the official Valorant Mobile developed by Riot Games and published under Tencent Games. So let's get started. First, open up any browser on your phone and search for Valorant Mobile. You'll see a lot of results, but scroll down. And make sure to open this official game page. Since the page is in Chinese, you can use Google Translate if you get stuck. On the website at the top right, you'll see a download the game button. Tap on it, and the APK file, around 1.8 gigabytes, will start downloading. Wait until it's fully downloaded, and then go ahead and install it. After installation, open the game. On the very first launch, it will download additional assets of about 3.6 gigabytes. So make sure you have enough storage and don't close the app while it's downloading. This part can take some time, depending on your internet speed. Once that's done, the game will load up. But since this is a Chinese beta, the servers are region-locked. In most cases, you'll need a VPN. Simply download any trusted VPN app from the Play Store and connect to a China or Hong Kong server. Without this step, the game might not let you log in. Now, when the game starts, you'll see two login options, WeChat and QQ. You'll need to create an account on one of these platforms. Sometimes it asks for a Chinese phone number, but many users have managed with their local numbers, so definitely give it a try. After logging in, set up your username and you're good to go. The first time, you'll go through the tutorial and training missions. Everything is in Chinese, so it might feel confusing, but you can use Google Translate if needed. Just keep tapping the red buttons to continue and get to the main menu. From there, you can start matchmaking and jump into your first game. Keep in mind, your ping and gameplay quality will depend a lot on your VPN connection and your region. Players closer to Asia will enjoy smoother gameplay compared to players in the US or Europe. Now let's talk about the gameplay itself. This is real Valorant running natively on mobile. Same maps, same agents, same abilities, and the same tactical shooter experience you already know from PC. The graphics look impressive, and the controls are surprisingly smooth for mobile. If you played Valorant on PC before, you'll feel right at home. And that's it. That's how you can download, install, and play Valorant Mobile on your phone today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment below if you tried it out, and subscribe to Clickfix Tech for more gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.